Hey everybody, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you with the end of the night video. Boy oh boy, when you take what I consider a semester off of not using the resin printers, you got to reteach yourself. I looked at it and I'm like, oh my God, I've got to get this done. So it took me about 30 minutes to get back into the swing of using the printers. This one over here is still printing. I'm printing a McDonald's for the N scale. And on this one, we just finished printing out a kit that has to dry. And then tomorrow I will attempt with my fat fingers to put together this N scale and paint it. Well, I'll have to prime it, let it dry, and then paint it. So that was very much a challenge. And then I did get 2 of the cameras working. This little circle camera is giving me a fit. And it about flew across the room tonight. But yeah, that one is giving me some issues. But other than that, it was just reorganizing everything, making sure we have everything where we need it for supplies. As you saw earlier, we did a video of a mail call. I'll be doing another one because we tongue twisted, got some more in the mail today. And just going to go forward with building that N scale. I think tomorrow I'm going to start doing some of those pull-out shelves that my brother made me that I can do scenery work, and then they just slide in the back. I'm going to put together that kit. And Ray came out and ran his steam engine, and of course highballed the Willy Wonka and the Candyland. I am so definitely going to have to put up sides. He scares me to death with that thing, but he loves it. So that's about it, guys. Not too much. A lot of technical stuff today. Those are all my boxes that have to get mailed out to people that I did some 3D printing for. So other than that, guys, we will catch with you tomorrow. Hope everyone has a good night. Stay safe. Bye.